Hi garden friends, so I'm in my front yard and I have this huge echeveria with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 heads, and it needs a bit of cleaning. So what I plan on doing is taking all of these leaves out, the dead leaves that are at the bottom that have completely dried up, and it sits under a coral tree. So it's got all sorts of twigs around it as well. And I like to do this when it's at this point where it's just like, there's just so much of it. And I like to do it because mealybugs love to nest under these really dry leaves that you see. They'll nest like around here and work their way up into the succulent. So yeah, I noticed that actually this head right here has the mealies. So I'm gonna have to spray that. But this echeveria has been in my front yard for about 3 years now. It's one of the few echeverias that actually survived. I had a ton more varieties of echeverias. I had imbricatas, and they all died. And that's probably because my front yard gets a ton of sun. And this one happens to be right under the tree. And look, I'm just grabbing it by handfuls, basically. There's just so many of them. And I'm even getting the ones that are kind of still, you know, fresh, but they're already going. And I'll lay those to propagate if they do. But wow, there's just so much junk. And I gotta say, I don't clean them that often. Like I said before, I wait till it gets to this point. There's so much stuff here. Oh my goodness. I wish you could see down over here. But I'm just gonna show you right now. Look at that. Oh, so yeah, bunch of stuff is going on there. It needs some TLC for sure. Holy moly. Yeah, I kind of got the bug. I was like, okay, I think it's time to clean that one. And now the heads are actually separating. So they were so close together. This is the mother plant right here. And now they're actually, their stems are big or long enough where they're gonna start to really offset their own cups, I hope. Oh my gosh. There's more here that I can take out. And you know what? I'm not really worried about messing up the farina on this one. And this one definitely has the mealies. I can see them. They're right there. Ooh. And I'm gonna show you how I do that. But first, let me just clean all of this stuff. And it's really simple. Okay, I'm gonna lift this one up. Wow. This is kind of embarrassing. But hey, I'm just trying to keep it real, okay? All right. So, I feel that I've taken off enough of the dead leaves. And that's a big spider. Oh my God, it's going under me. And I'm just gonna spray all of them. because if one head has a mealy, most likely all of them do. And that's the truth. And look, my nursery trip. Look at all this stuff. Oh my gosh. Okay, so what I literally do is I have a spray bottle here and I've got alcohol. So I'm just gonna open this up and I'm gonna put it into my spray bottle. And that's how I deal with the mealies. Some echeverias like it. Most echeverias won't retaliate the alcohol because, you know, it's a harsh chemical. And some will. This one I know doesn't. It does well. Like, for instance, the Echeveria Blue Sky. I have treated it with rubbing alcohol and it completely burned on me. But yeah, this is what I do. I just spray the center, spray the stems, and I'm, like I said, I'm gonna do them, all of them, and I'm gonna open up that center there where I know they're probably nesting, and I'm gonna spray the stems. Do it to the mama too. Clean right there in the center there. She's got a ton of stuff. All right, she's gonna be nice and clean after this. And I'm gonna kind of open up that center because they're kind of stressed because I don't water them as much as I do my container succulents. These probably get watered, oh my God, I want to say once a month, and that's probably not enough. But I'm happy I'm doing it now. Get that stem. And this one was the main one that was infested. And hopefully that will get rid of them. Oh, but wow, what a difference. What a difference. Well, I hope you learned something new today. And until the next video, bye garden friends.